Hi, Facebook Live. Happy New Year's. The bird is back. The birdie is back in the kitchen. My bird is back. 4 times. Hi, baby. The bird is back. Hi. Look, there she is. The bird is back.
Where's the cat?
Don't. Fred, you record.
Okay.
Move your hand off the...
Okay.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, the microwave.
Okay, no, we don't want to, because then it'll fall behind the microwave and then
It's right there. It's right up. It's right here.
Hi, baby. Hi. Say bird.
Uh-huh.
Hi. You're okay. You just want to be my pet. You're okay, you're okay, okay. You're okay, Mama. Okay. Don't be a... Would you stop? Stop. I'm not going to hurt you. Almost looks like a little hummingbird. Can you see it, Fred?
Yeah, I can see it.
Hi, baby. Calm down. Hi.
A big beak gun.
Hi. You okay? Happy New Year. Okay? Let's release. You ready? There you go. There it goes. Same bird. This is leftover from last night. Same bird. Boo. Boo's just like, did I see the bird? Yes, baby. The bird. Bird is back. Happy New Year. So I guess health, wealth, and luck, or whichever. That's what I'm taking. The bird is back. Happy New Year's, you guys. Woohoo! Hope you guys had a great New Year's celebration. Be safe, be healthy, and hugs and kisses from Her Vision. Bye.